Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Today we will talk about Firefox new browser that is just launched. It's V59. We will tell you some of the awesome features of this browser. So let's start with the video. I open my Firefox browser. I have already installed. Browser is open now. It's asking to make it default browser. I skip it for now. This is how it look like. Click on learn more written on the bottom. It will bring you to the tour of new features of Firefox browser. New features are take better screenshots, take, save and share screenshots without leaving Firefox, capture a region or entire page, private browsing, browse by yourself, want to keep something to yourself, use private browsing, and tracking protection. Firefox will block online trackers. Performance, browse with the best EM. It's a whole new Firefox built faster page loading, smoother scrolling and more responsive tabs. I go to about on Firefox browser. It shows this screen. Here it shows the past version I have already installed is 58, asking me to restart to get the latest Firefox. I click over here. It's now going to install the updates on my browser. It takes a little time. Update is installed now. It restarts the Firefox browser. And it's asking again to make a default browser. I skip it for now. Here it's asking congratulations, you are using the latest version of Firefox. It gives me the option. Here it gives me the option to send tab to device. Take a screenshot. It gives a little tour or preview how to take a screenshot. Here you can take a screenshot, copy it, download or save it. You have the option to take picture of entire page or a region. Here is the option of pocket to save your articles, videos or pages. Now I go to options. Go to privacy and security. Here it shows the new options. Prevent accessibility services from accessing your browser. It's the new feature of this Firefox version. If you want to read more about the features of this Firefox browser, the link is given in the description. You can go there and see what are the new features of this browser. Here it shows what's new, a powerful new engine that's built for rapid fire performance, 2 times faster. Here you can see the video of difference between Firefox Quantum and Google Chrome. 30% lighter than Chrome. Smooth browsing. Whether you have opened 10 or 1000, switching between tabs is faster. Switch from Chrome to Firefox in just a few minutes. These are some of the awesome features of this new Firefox browser version V59. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.